crazy right now. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olivia and today's video is just gonna be like a little vlog, you know. If you are a returning watcher, I would like to apologize for my inactivity for like literally a month. School started again and it's crazy. I'm also a perfectionist, so if I don't like the video, it's not going out. I had like 5 videos that I wanted to post, but I was like, this is bad. That's great, my phone decided to fall. So today we are gonna bake scones, hopefully go to Barnes & Noble. I don't know. I really need to clean my room, maybe study a little bit, and then we also have ballet practice today. So kind of busy, but kind of not busy, you know? I don't know why I'm out of breath, but yeah. We are here at Barnes & Noble with Abby. Like, I cannot walk into a bookstore without wanting to buy
every single book everywhere.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna get a drink so I don't buy everything. Yeah. Yes. Sinkies, we got our Starbucks, and this is the size of my head. I'm probably gonna explode later, but it's okay because it doesn't have caffeine, but I did have like 3 cups of coffee this morning, so it's okay.
She's speaking very fast, so she might have to slow this down. But we can understand each other because we both talk really, really fast.
Yeah. Oh, Harper's Bazaar. Anyways, I changed my hair because the hair wasn't herring. We're getting Vogue later, by the way.
Suki Waterhouse on the cover of British Vogue.
Love that. My like dream job is to work at Vogue, or like Vogue or F1. That's like total different stuff. That's basically like $1. Are you in your journaling era?
Sure.
Guys, journaling is so... Why am I shaking? Journaling is so good for you.
Because you had 3 cups of coffee.
Yep. We're going to try to look for Lana Del Rey's
Violet.
Is it Violets Bent Over the Grass? Something like that.
I don't know.
But we're going to try to find that book. Found the book. Look how pretty. It has heart on the back. Love. Sylvia's also right here. My back has been hurting a lot recently, which is weird because I'm literally like a teenage girl. In my heart, I'm a 70-year-old woman.
So my parents actually, they call me Grandma Abby.
I love that.
I love crocheting, sitting in my room and reading.
Me too. Okay guys, what should we look for next? Where should we go next?
I kind of want to go Lynn Painter.
Lynn Painter. Okay, we're gonna go to her next.
I see her new book.
Okay, so we didn't find any good Lynn Painter books, but we are looking at fashion. Yeah, fashion books. Love.
Little Dictionary of Fashion by Christian Dior.
I love Dior.
It is $22.
I have the little book of Chanel.
They have this book of Dior. I want to see which one is prettier, just which one to get.
My favorite brands are Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Dior, and there's another one.
Vivienne
Westwood. And I would love to have this one.
You should get it because they're only $16.95.
You know what? We're buying it. She's
we
so
have money
cool.
to burn.
She's
we have money to burn.
Yeah,
come on.
We're just girls too, so it's not that big of a deal.
Hello.
Okay, we're spending all of our money. Okay, I need to get out of this section.
Okay, but we're just a girl, okay?
Yeah,
we're
girls. Literally just girls. I need this entire wall, like the flowers and the cars and like the Ferraris and the Mercedes and like the, I need the roses, the orchids, the, sure, I'll take the typewriter too. Oh my gosh, the I can't talk right now. The Millennium Falcon. One time I saw a McLaren car in real life. It was amazing. Very beautiful. Check out Abby's new ride.
This is my new whip. I can come up with these kind of things for teenagers.
Yeah, I would.
Because I'm very sad that this is not teenager size.
How aesthetic this is. Also, Abby's playing with this kid toy.
I'm so confused.
She can't figure it out. It's okay, girl. Me too. Oh, we should probably leave this aisle as well. We're gonna look for baskets now because I have so much stuff. Coffee's starting to wear down. Slowly getting tired, but we found 1,000 Ships. I love this author so much. She also wrote Stone Blind, which is like one of my favorite books. I read it in one sitting. It's like Greek mythology, and I love Greek mythology. So we're getting this one. I'll give you guys a haul when I get home. Last book I'm buying, Cleopatra and Frankenstein. This looks so cool. It's about a girl marrying a guy because she needs to get a green card, and then like their lives totally change because of that. It looks very, very interesting. So I'll tell you guys if it's good. She took a candid of me. Thank you.
Here, wait, hold on. Let's show.
It's so aesthetic. Thank you.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So cool.
I'm like blushing. Oh, we still need to get the Vogue. Okay, we're gonna get the Vogue and then check out, and then
I'm gonna
hopefully
go broke.
Yeah, me too, girl. It's okay.
Yeah.
Live, love, love. We're just girls. Yeah. Hey guys, so it's the next day. We spent a lot more time at Barnes & Noble than expected, so I didn't have enough time to film a haul because right after Barnes & Noble I had to go to ballet practice, but I will give you the haul right now. I didn't expect to buy Legos at Barnes & Noble, but as you saw, I got the Ferrari 812 Competition. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm gonna build it later just because I have so much stuff to do right now. Next, Cleopatra and Frankenstein. I love the cover, like she's so pretty. I'm very excited to read this book. It's quite thick. It only has like 400 pages. That's a good amount. I could probably read that maybe 3 days. Next we have Violet Bent Backwards Over the Grass. Very excited to read this as well. There's a lot of photography, poetry, and all that stuff. I think in some poems she has like notes written in there. Here are some of the notes. I just love that because you can kind of just like see what she was thinking about when she was writing. And then last book is 1,000 Ships, Editing Me. The book is basically about women during the Trojan War and like when the horse kind of popped up and then they were like, oh, you know, like, yeah, it's a good book. I love her writing. What makes me mad though is that this is a fake sticker. It cannot come off and it's like neon green with this beautiful cover. It makes me so mad, but I'll survive. And the last thing is Suki Waterhouse, Vogue. I love it. She's so pretty. There's also some stuff about the Paris Olympics, which was pretty cool. If you watched my Paris vlog, you know that I went to Paris this summer, but I didn't see any of the Olympics. I was there like 2 weeks before it started, and it was pretty cool. So if you want to check that out, you should check out the video. I probably mentioned this earlier, but I really have to study. I have to study science and German. Science, I don't like science. It's just like too many like facts or whatever, because like with history it's like a story, you know. With English it's like everyone can interpret it differently. With math it's like formula, you know, all that stuff. So I don't like science, and I have a test coming up very soon, so I need to study for that. So we're gonna study for that, and then I also have a German test coming up very soon, which I need to study for that too. And once I'm finished studying, I'm gonna bake some scones as like a little, like, you did it. We're gonna channel our inner Rory Gilmore, our inner Blair Waldorf. We're gonna channel our inner Elle Woods and get this done. Studying. Let me show you how beautiful it looks. For German, I did this stuff. I'm gonna like, yeah, later. And then for science, it's just like viruses and bacteria. I am so tired. I don't know why, but I'm exhausted. I want to take a nap, but I know I shouldn't because naps make me more tired. So I am going to bake scones and have a cup of coffee while eating the scones. I do feel very productive though. Like, I'm glad I got that out of the way because I've been putting it off for a minute and I don't know why I've been doing that, but baking time. We are using the Amazing American Girl cookbook scones. I wonder how many times I've said scones in this video. I love that word, scones. Like, it sounds fancy. This is what the cookies look like right now. I'm tempted to make them heart-shaped, but I don't think that they're gonna turn out like actual hearts, more probably like blobs. I just ate a lot of batter, which is probably not smart. I'm gonna put them in the oven and then I will come back in 10 minutes and show you guys how they turned out. I just pulled them out and they are not heart-shaped at all. They look like little blobs, but it's okay. They're still cute. I had some cookies, 3 to be exact, and now I am building my little Ferrari car. I'll post on Instagram once I'm done. Make sure to follow it. I also have coffee, so interesting combo. I am gonna end the video here though. I just want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I really liked making this video. It was very fun. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down what book you would get, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, I will see you in the next video. This month is gonna be a lot of stuff, so that will mean a lot of videos, which I'm very excited for. Yeah, okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!